Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I will be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Philips headphones, the 4000 series. It comes in this nice packaging, and as you can read in the packaging, it is a Bluetooth headphones. Once you open the box, you will find an extra carton box for protection, or an extra carton for protecting, and your headphones should come with a USB-C charging cable. This USB-C cable should allow you to charge your headphones via a phone charger or phone connector, or even via computer. The headphones comes with a very cool and comfortable cooling air cups, and they are detachable, water and dust resistant. Also, when you check on the right button or on the right side of the headphones, you will find three buttons, one for increasing and decreasing the sound, and a power button for turning on and off. The pairing is done automatic, and you should be able to easily connect it to your phone. As an extra, you will find this little plastic cover, which is covering actually two connectors, one jack for jack connector if you want to connect it to phone via cable, and a USB-C connector for charging your phone or even connecting it to your laptop or computer. You have the microphone hole, and you have also this LED which shows you if the phone is charging or not. As I said, the cooling ear cups are easy to remove and are washable. And on the packaging is written that IP55 dust and water resistant, detailed sound, good bass, and 35 hours playtime, detachable ear cups, cushions, easy cleaning. In fact, these headphones are really very comfy and they last long enough if you are a music lover. And personally, I'm working with it all the time and it lasts just enough, and they are easy and fast charging. In addition to that, I'm not really facing any issues with it, and the quality of the sound is upon my expectation for very small price which I paid for these headphones. These headphones, they are very highly adjustable, and you can even close it or you can even detach the cushions if you would like to. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.